Hi, my name is Kim Lee Nguyen with 7 Sages, Acupuncture and Herbs. Today I would like to share with you a case study that is very close and dear to my heart. It is a fertility case study. This is a 36 years old woman who's been trying to conceive for a few years. She is a true warrior. So I want to share with you her experience through her her fertility journey and the amazing work that we did together. So she has kidney disease. She has proteinuria, which is when the body leaks a high level of protein into the urine. And a lot of people who have kidney disease have a difficult time conceiving successfully. This patient decided to go through IVF. Before seeing me, this was a few years back, she decided to do IVF, and that procedure was not successful. So she tried naturally on her own for the next few years and experienced 11 miscarriages. I don't know about you, but even 1 or 2 is it's dramatic. It's a very, it's hard to go through even 1 or 2. And for her to go through 11 is like, she's a warrior. She is determined. You can tell she knows motherhood is for her and she's determined to be a mom. So when she came to see me, she decided she's going to do another round of IVF, but this time she wants to try acupuncture. So I gave her my protocol and she saw me 4 months before her retrieval date. Saw me about 2 to 3 times a week, stayed for 45 to an hour and a half per session. So her first IVF, she had 14 eggs retrieved, in which 6 fertilized and 0 made it to testing. The second time she had the second IVF, which was with acupuncture with me, she had, this is really crazy, but she had 30 eggs retrieved, 20 fertilized, 9 made it to testing, and of those 9, 2 were healthy embryos. So let me just tell you that when she had this procedure done, she was 35 years old. When she had her first procedure done, she was 29 years old. There's a huge difference in the results when she was 35 compared to the result when she was 29. And this is a very good example of how many were much more fertile in their late 30s, early 40s compared to when they were in their late 20s, early 30s. And I see that a lot in my clinic. When this patient came to see me, she didn't realize that part of treating her for fertility is also boosting her menstrual quality and her kidney function. So the 4 months that she was seeing me before her transfer date, she saw that her menstrual cycle was there's a big difference. It was much lighter, no clots or minimal clots, no headaches, no cramps. She didn't have any backache, which with her kidney disease, usually she would have backaches, and she didn't have any backaches, no PMS, so, and not only that, I'm just going to read a snippet of her testimonial. On top of my fertility issues, I actually have kidney disease also, in which I leak large amounts of protein into my urine. Well, I went in for routine lab work and my kidneys' protein levels were the lowest they've ever been, almost normal. I was blown away because I haven't done anything different other than acupuncture. I told her my results, and that's when she told me more details about the treatment I've been getting. While Kim treated my fertility issues, I didn't know that she was treating my kidneys, which, quote unquote, controls our reproductive organs. So this, this case is so amazing to me, especially from what she's been through and her determination. This is when she wrote this testimonial, she was 9 weeks pregnant, and 9 weeks is fairly early. This patient has never been able to conceive past 8 weeks. It's so for her, 9 weeks was an accomplishment, but for us, and of course, for me, 9 weeks was a little too early. But currently, she is 30 weeks, and she just recently had another ultrasound, and baby is healthy and happy, and mommy is also healthy and happy. I wanted to share this case with you because it's such an amazing case, showcasing the power of Chinese medicine, and also how when you are in the right state of health and mind, what you want to achieve is achievable. It's obtainable. A lot of patients always ask me, or I get this question a lot, as how many treatments will it need, or how often do I need to come in? When will I get pregnant? And I will tell you honestly, I don't know when you will get pregnant. I don't know if I can help you get pregnant. I hope that I can help you achieve your goal. I've been told this by my mentor, and she always says this. So if you want things to change in your life, you have to change the things in your life. And basically, if you want, a lot of times patients come in and they said, your protocol is too long. Okay. And they said, I've been trying for years, and so I can't wait any longer. Well, you've been trying for years, and you've been doing your method. How's that working for you? So if you want things to change in your life, you need to change the things in your life. My protocol is not for everyone. But it's made specifically for those who really want to change the things in their life. It's made for people who are determined, for people who have the right mindset. My protocol is for natural fertility. I ask for 6 to 12 months after achieving optimal fertility balance. And when I always talk about optimal fertility balance, and that's related to your menstruation. And I want to see optimal fertility menstruation for 3 consecutive months. Then I ask for 6 to 12 months after. For those who have a prior medical history, or if you are over the age of 40, or if you've been on birth control for a very long time throughout your teenage years and young adulthood, then I ask for 12 to 30 months after optimal fertility balance. If you are an IVF or an IUI patient, then I ask for a minimum of 1 month, but preferably 3 to 6 months prior to your egg or sperm retrieval date. I know IVF and IUI, you're on a certain time limit, timeline. So I ask for a minimum of 1 month before your egg retrieval, and preferably 3 to 6 months before your egg retrieval date. It takes a minimum of 3 months for new eggs and sperms to mature. So many research out there has shown that acupuncture can increase the success rate of IVF by up to 65%. So that's something to really take into consideration. And like I said, my program is not for everyone, and it may seem very long, but it is to increase your chance of success, and that's what we want. I know you want a baby, but you don't want just any baby. You want a healthy, happy baby, and you want a healthy, happy mommy. So, it's most of my successful patients come in 1 to 3 times a week, and they take herbs when prescribed. I'm truly grateful for all the patients that come through my door and for the trust that I will take care of every one of you. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at 7sagesacu.com or text or call me at 714-485-6905. Texting is the fastest way to get a hold of me. If you call me, you can leave a message and I will give you a call back by the end of the day. Thank you very much, and hopefully I will see you in the clinic. Bye.